Hi, here's Michal and welcome to another video, and today I will show you how to easily set up your uh, own n8n uh, server or have it self-hosted, so you don't have to pay 20 or more euro per month for using it. Uh, you will use this community edition and you will self-host it on your server. I started this NA this Herzner cloud, and it's just CPX 11, and it will cost me 4 euro 66 euro cents. So it's really cheap, and you can have it run in few minutes. It just, for me, it takes like 10 minutes from click on to create server to process all the stuff I needed. So you will find it here in docs how to do it, and I did everything, and now I have my own platform to try to try and build AI agents and automation. So it's really cheap for me now to run this. I can have it a lot of things. First demo already set up all the things like Google authorization and everything. Here I tried some transcribe, and I'm using templates that are here, and just trying if it connects good, and yeah, it's working, and yeah, it's really cool, and I'm happy that I found this way to start this thing, and now this is really beautiful tool to try, and yeah, it can do so many things. So let's let's go and let's continue building beautiful things with n8n. So yeah, thanks for watching, and let me know if you started to self-host it or using cloud version, or what tools are you using for AI and automation, or automation in general. So tell me, I'm I would like to hear it or read it. So see you next time.